Hi guys! So today I have my daughter Jaskirat here, we call her Ginny, and she's going to do my makeup. I thought this will be a really fun and interesting video for us to film and for you guys to watch, and a lot of you guys asked me to do this daughter does my makeup challenge. So we thought let's do it today, and I have her here. I have told her a bit about the brushes because these are the 5 brushes I picked out for her. Rest everything else she's going to guess and apply on my face.
Yes.
I've helped her with the brushes because I have I think more than 40 brushes, so she got confused. So I had to give her at least 5 brushes that she will use on my face. So I have washed my face and I'm ready for the makeup. So let's do it.
I'm using this Faces Canada foundation.
I have to speak louder.
I don't want the product to go in your eyes. That's why.
Okay, and tell everyone about you, a little bit about you. Which class you study in,
I study in class 4th.
and what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are like crafting and drawing. Please close your eyes.
So what are you applying?
I'm applying the Faces Canada foundation.
And why do we apply foundation? What do you think? Just tell me whatever you think. Chalo, लगाओ, carry on whatever you are doing.
I'm done with
You
it.
are done. Yeah, okay. So foundation is done. What is this?
Now I'm going to use this Milani concealer. It's not opening. Can you open it?
You can use your fingers. That's not an issue. इधर होके बैठोगे नहीं, तुम फ्रेम से बाहर जाओगे. आपको ध्यान रखना है कि आप फ्रेम से बाहर ना जाओ.
Okay.
Why do we apply concealer? Just tell me anything. Just tell them anything. Why do you think we apply foundation and concealer?
I think foundation. I think we apply foundation because to make our face skin tone equal.
Okay, skin tone even.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And why do we apply concealer?
I have no idea.
You have no idea?
I don't even have some guesses for this.
Okay, you can't even guess? Okay, so you have applied concealer. Okay, next what are you going to do?
This is, I think, powder.
Mm-hmm. So you also want to do makeup someday on yourself?
Maybe.
Why do you want to do makeup on yourself?
Because I will then look more beautiful. I'm done.
So powder is done. So powder, concealer and foundation done.
Blush.
Okay. Why do we apply blush? Okay. Where are you going to apply this?
Over here. It's too much.
कोई बात. You can use the bigger brush later to
Smear it.
smear it a little bit and then fade it a bit. Oh my god.
I think it's done.
So blush is done.
Now I'm using this bronzer.
Where are you going to apply bronzer?
Over here. On the cheekbone.
So now onward, Ginny will do my makeup for her PTM.
No.
Okay?
No.
She will do my makeup for her PTM, and then she'll accompany me to her PTM. Fine? Especially in her new class.
What's this?
Read and guess. If you can't guess, use it wherever you want to. Open it first and see, touch and see what the product this product is. What do you think it is? Where do you think you would apply it?
I think over the eyeshadow or something.
You can do that.
Or like on the blush. But I don't want to.
If you don't want to apply it over the blush,
Yes.
okay. What are you applying now?
This eyeshadow.
No, let me open it.
Mm.
So it has started raining outside. Ginny, you like rain?
No.
You don't like rain.
Yes.
Why you don't like rain?
I don't like the thunder.
You don't like the thunder and lightning.
Yes, I don't like it.
Are we done with the eyeshadow? Okay. What next?
This shimmer.
Yeah, you can apply it. You can use the same brush, or you can use your finger if you want to. Is it looking nice?
I think so.
What do you want to do when you grow up?
I want to become a teacher.
You want to become a teacher.
Yes. I
For
practice.
that, you will have to score good marks.
Yes, I know it. And I score it.
You score good marks? Twist up. What is this? You have to show it to the camera first. What is this and how are you going to use it?
This is a brow pencil and we use it on brows.
Okay.
Our brows.
You have such beautiful brows already. Show it to the camera. She has such beautiful brows already. Make me pretty because I have to go for a walk now. Can I go for a walk with this makeup?
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
No. Not from my opinion.
So brows are done. I think she likes minimal look because she hasn't gone overboard or anything.
Now with this lipstick.
Okay. We are done with the makeup.
Yes, I think.
What? You have to apply eyeliner, no? This is the eyeliner. Try it at least. Try it at least. Why you don't want to use it?
I'm actually scared.
Scared of what?
I don't want to hurt you.
Oh, you won't. I'm going to close my eyes. You just use it very lightly. Isn't it very easy to use?
No. Look at it. It's gone wrong.
It's okay. Apply it on this
That's
side.
why. Uh-oh.
Take your time. There is no hurry. Tell one good thing about you.
I draw this?
You draw nicely.
Yes, I think so.
And what is one bad thing about you? What is something you want to improve?
I get angry really quickly.
You get angry very quickly.
Yes.
Okay, so we are done with our wing eyeliner.
And now I'm going to just use the lipstick.
What is the name of the lipstick? Can you read it out?
Its name is Elizabeth.
Why did you make that face?
Because it just got out of your lips.
Sorry.
No, wait a second.
You have applied lipstick nicely. You can use your finger to color is nice, right? You want to do anything else on the face? You think we have to do apply more blush, or you want to apply highlighter on my face? Anything else you want to do, or you are happy with the way I look right now?
I'm not happy because of this eyeliner.
Okay. Otherwise, you like the makeup.
Yes.
Okay.
That's why I didn't want to use it. Didn't want to use it.
It's okay. Why are you feeling sad? It's okay. It was just for fun. Just cheer up.
Looking scary.
That was the whole idea of this video, no? Nobody is going to give you marks, right? We did it for fun.
Yes.
So I'm your mom. Doesn't
Yes,
matter.
Yes.
So I'm not going to judge you.
Okay.
So doesn't matter. These people are also not going to judge you. Nobody is going to judge her, right? Nobody is going to judge her makeup skills. How do you spend your day?
I make like comics. I draw comics. I have a specific book for drawing.
Mm.
And what else? I craft. Watching YouTube videos, I craft.
You do crafts as well?
Yes.
You watch YouTube videos
Yeah.
and then you do craft.
Yes.
Okay. And what else? What about homework?
Yes. Yes, I do homework.
And anything else you want to tell people, or do you want to have your own YouTube channel?
No.
No,
No.
you don't want.
No.
Why? You don't know what it is going to be about.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, if given a chance, what would you open a YouTube channel if I give you a chance?
Yes.
And what it's going to be about?
Craft.
Craft only.
Craft and drawing and that.
Any channel that you really get inspiration from? Any YouTube channel that you watch and get inspiration from?
I watch a channel and I get craft inspiration.
I want the name of the channel. See, the battery is dying. Just quickly tell them which channel you like the most. Which channel do you watch?
I watch Slick Slime Sam for craft inspiration.
And a lot of them like your Lego structures you make, no? On
I-
Instagram.
I'll take inspirations from her only.
You can smile. Why are you looking so anxious? Just smile because nobody is going to judge you.
Okay.
They know you are a kid. How old are you?
I am 8 years old.
Okay. How are you dealing with the situation? What do you do? Do you feel scared?
No,
No.
I don't feel scared because nobody gets out of the house. So it's nothing to worry about.
We are smart parents, right? So we are also planning to do a Q&A with Ginny. If you guys have kids or if you want to ask questions, you just mention them in the comments below. And she will answer them probably. If you want to see her again, we'll do a Q&A. And we also do vlogs on my Hindi channel. I'm going to link the latest vlog in the description box. You can watch that. And she also loves to be a part of
The vlogs.
vlogs. So we might do a vlog tomorrow. We might film vlog tomorrow, and I'll show you some of our creation. Also, let me know how you guys like the makeup look. If you like the makeup look, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. She's a bit camera shy. I'm sure she'll open up more after 1 or 2 appearances. So I made this Judah high bun very quickly. So okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys had a good time. I really wanted her to speak, that's why I made it more like an interview than a random fun video. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, what they are supposed to do? If they like this video, how are they going to show that they have liked this video?
They can give a like.
They can give a like, they can thumbs up the video, and we will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, bye.
Bye.